let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, using the given function, complete the table. There's the function, there's the table. Then graph the points you find and then draw your function. All right. So looking here, our function is f of x equals x squared minus 3. First thing we should notice, it is a quadratic, right? So we know it's going to make a parabola. We know this because the degree is 2. If the exponent is 2 and that's the highest degree, then you know it is going to be a quadratic, which makes parabolas. So all we have to do in here is take these inputs, input them into this function, and see what output we get. And that's going to give us our x, y coordinates. This f of x is another way of just saying y. Output. The output is y. So here we go. I'm just going to write it over here, and we'll plug them in and see what happens. So first one, instead of f of x, we're going to say f of negative 3 equals negative 3 squared minus 3. And actually, this is the only one I'm going to write out because I'm going to show you how to bang these out in your calculator pretty fast, and this will be good. So we have f of negative 3 is negative 3 squared minus 3. Notice that I put my input in parentheses. This is really important. Okay, negative 3 squared is 9, and 9 minus 3 gives us 6. Okay, so we know that when we input 3, our output is 6. Now I'm going to show you something here on the calculator here. I'm going to do some redundant work here, but it'll be okay. If you see here how I put it in parentheses, what that lets me do, if you look, if I just put parentheses, negative 3 parentheses squared minus 3, it just kicks out the 6 for me. So if you can get in the habit of using this calculator and using this calculator well, you can actually very quickly just follow that pattern and get your answer. So here we go. Parentheses, negative 2 squared minus 3. It's going to be 1. Right? Input, output, input, output. Parentheses, negative 1 squared minus 3. So we got negative 2. Parentheses, no, inputting 0. 0 squared minus 3 minus 3. And so you can see by putting in these parentheses and just reusing my function, I can just really do these very quickly. And I don't have to waste so much time writing out stuff that, you know, if you can do it once, you can do it every time. Okay. Last one, and you can tell right now it's going to be, what's that? 9 minus 3 is 6. But we'll do it. There you go. Okay. So there, using my calculator, I quickly got all of my inputs and all of my outputs. So now all we got to do is put them on the graph and see what we make. Now we know we're going to make a parabola, so we got that in the back of our mind. And let's see what it looks like. And you can actually see it forms a symmetrical situation here. So you know we got a good thing going. All right. Here we go. I go back 3, up 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da-da-da. Back 1, up 2. Da-da-da. Oh, no, I did that. I was getting too fast, got cocky. Let's try that again. Back 2, up 1. Back 2, up 1. Dun, dun. I'm gonna put a big red X to this and remind myself, you got cocky. That was a silly mistake, my bad. So back 2, up 1. Back 1, down 2. There we go. 0, down 3. 1, 2, 3. There, and now you can see that half the parabola. Okay, so it's symmetrical on the y-axis. Over 1, down 2, there you go. Over 2, up 1, there you go, and then over 3, up 6. There it is. Oops, and sorry about that little mistake there, but hey, so you slow down and don't pretend like you know everything, right? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and graph this thing or draw the function. So it's a parabola, so it's going to swing up like that. I'll put some arrows there so we know it goes on forever. Try to make it nice and curvy. And there you go. There, you drew your parabola, okay? And that's a good sketch for us to see the parabola. It could be a little curvier and a little prettier, but I mean, it's fine for what it is. All right. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And if you want to be notified when more Mathity-Math is coming your way, go ahead and subscribe, and then you'll get notified when more Mathity-Math is coming your way. Thanks. Bye.